Are you ready to play with some numbers? I have my combination dot card out here, and I would like you, maybe you can find a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon or marker, and take a second, pause this, go find something, because I would like you to do this with me today. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the combination card and let's see, can we use our numbers to make the combination that we see on the card? Let's just practice how we would do this, okay? So for this combination card, I see 1 blue dot and 2 red dots. Plus 1 plus 2 equals what? That's right, 3. Let's check ourselves. 1 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3. Good. Did you come up with that? Let's try another one. Ready? You can go anywhere on your paper. Ooh, what do you see? Write it down. 4 plus, how many? 2 blue dots, good. So count. How many do you see all together if I have 4 plus 2? 4 red dots plus 2 blue dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you get 6 on you when you wrote yours down? Now, you can write your math facts up and down, or we can do them across too. So the next one, let's do it across, all right? So you're still reading it the same way. It just is going to look different. Sorry. Put it up there. All right. So how many in this box do you see? Well, I see 0. 0 is the number that we use to represent nothing. Zip, zilch, nada. Have you ever heard Mommy and Daddy say that? All right. Then how many red dots do you see? I do. I see 3. So if I have 0 plus 3, is my number going to change? No, it's going to stay the same. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Good job. Are you writing them down? Let's pick a harder one. Oh, those aren't very hard. Oh, I got to pick a hard one. I don't see any hard ones. Oh, dear. Oh, here's a harder one. You ready? Okay. How many blue dots do you see? How many red dots do you see? 2 plus 5 equals 7. That's right. How are you doing? Is that easy for you to do? Okay. Now this time I'm going to show you some cards, but I'm not going to tell you the answer. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, ready? Here we go. Can you write that? 2 plus 2 equals... What's the answer, boys and girls? Have Mama check. Did you do it right? All right, here we go. Here's another one. 3 plus, that's right, 0 equals, what's the answer? Ooh, there's one. 1 plus 6 equals, good job. And let's do one more. Ready? Here we go. 5 plus 1 equals, that's right. Boys and girls, when you are counting, you are adding. That's right. And so that's another way to show a number. When we count, when we add, we can show a number. All right, yes, I am sitting on the floor. It's easy to have things spread out so you can see. So I have some cards spread out, but before I show you the cards, I want to show you something. While I was waiting for one of the lessons to load, I ran upstairs and got a snack. Did you get a snack yet? Well, this is a special snack. I have crackers. I have 2 crackers, and I put something in the middle of them. Can you guess what it is? It's peanut butter. All right. And so the crackers, that's not the whole thing. That's only part of it. The best part, it's in the middle. So if I take those 2 crackers and I pull them apart, you see the peanut butter? Ooh, peanut butter is good protein. And then I stick them together. So the 2 crackers are on the outside, and what's on the inside? Yeah, the peanut butter. And that peanut butter, ooh, it makes it taste yummy. Well, maybe you can make some peanut butter crackers for a snack. Or maybe you can't have peanut butter. Maybe cheese. Or maybe Nutella. Or maybe jelly. Have you ever had crackers with just butter? That's good too. All right, so this is a good snack, but it reminds me of our math lesson today. We're going to look at the number that comes in between 2 other numbers, okay? So this might be a little bit hard and you're gonna have to think, okay? Be a detective. Sorry, I'm gonna lick my finger. Because I don't wanna get the peanut butter on the card. That wouldn't be very good, would it? Okay, so I'm gonna switch you around, ready? So here is 2 numbers. I have the number 3 and I have the number 5, and there is something missing. Can you see what it is? What number is missing? Yes. What should go in the middle? The 4. And look at, then I can continue my counting. So if I was counting 1, 2, 3, and there's a blank, how do I know what goes in the middle? Well, I count 1 more than 3. 3, 4, 5. And I can keep on going. Let's see, let's do another one. What if I have this number? 7 and 8. Oops, 7 and 9, not 8. 7 and 9. I just gave you the answer. Every time I do this lesson, I do that. Okay? My brain wants to talk about the number that's not there. What is your brain telling you? What number isn't there? That's right. If you were paying attention to what I just said, 8. 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's think of another missing number. What comes in between? Let me take these numbers away. Let's do... There. What number is missing? You're going to count 1 more than this on your way to this one. 4, 5, 6. Good job. Okay, let's make it harder. How hard should I make it? Should I make it really hard or just a little hard? Ooh, there's a clue here that will help you. What number is missing? What's going to go here? Count 1 more than this. 9. What comes after 9? There you go. We're on our way to 11. 9, 10, 11. Good job. Should we try another one? I won't make it super duper hard this time. Here we go. What number comes in between? We could also say what number is missing. Okay, so start with your number here. What comes after 12? And, oh, look it. Good job. What comes after 12? What comes before 14? Yeah. Okay, look at here. Let's pull out our little bunnies. Do you remember when we used to do this all the time when we were first starting in kindergarten? We would make what? Yep, we would make patterns. Okay? So even making patterns with little objects, we make patterns with numbers. And that's fun to do. So when you think of different, oh, look here, look who's coming to check out our numbers. Hi, Chica. So when you look at making patterns, you can have fun doing it yourself. What's missing? What should come in between? We do the same thing with numbers. What thing is in between these bunny rabbits? Yeah, a butterfly. So between numbers are easy as long as you count one more than the first number. And you can also think, if you want to make it harder for yourself, subtract one or take one away. And that's what we're getting ready to learn next week, subtraction. So if I have 5 butterflies and I take 2 away, how many are left? 3. So subtraction is the opposite of adding. So if I have 3 butterflies and 2 come flying in, 3 plus 2 is 5. When I talk about subtraction, no, Chica, you can't eat the bunnies. When I talk about subtraction, I talk about how many I have total, and then I talk about taking some away. So if I had 5 and I take 2 away, I have 3 left. If I have 3 and I take 1 away, how many do I have left? 2, yeah. So that'll be something fun that we can do next week as we practice our math lesson. So when you have a snack today, maybe you can make a cracker sandwich and think about what comes in between. Just like you have something special in between with a cracker sandwich, or maybe a cookie sandwich, or maybe your sandwich for lunch. You have 2 pieces of bread. What do you put in between to make it special? It's fun. It's fun to think about. It's fun to have fun with your food and with numbers.